Hello and welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and informative product reviews. Today, we have a game changer in the world of detox and colon cleanse. The global healing Oxy-Powder colon cleanse and detox cleanse. If you've been looking for the best body cleanse program on the market, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes Oxy-Powder so special, how it works, and why it might be just what you need for a healthier gut and body. So, let's get started. Oxy-Powder is not just any cleanse. It's a complete package with numerous benefits for your digestive health. Let's take a closer look. Firstly, it's designed to cleanse your entire digestive tract gently and effectively, even while you sleep. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and lighter. Oxy-Powder is formulated with ozone-oxygenated magnesium and citric acid, which are clinically proven to be safe and gentle on your body. No harsh herbs that can damage your delicate intestinal lining. It's not just about detox. Oxy-Powder also supports proper digestion and helps alleviate that uncomfortable feeling of fullness. Do you suffer from constipation? Oxy-Powder is here to help. It works to oxidize and reduce hard impacted matter in your gut. But how does it work, you ask? Well, Oxy-Powder uses the power of oxygen to gently cleanse impurities without the need for any interruptions to your daily routine. No time off work needed. These easy-to-take pills are a game changer, breaking down hard fecal matter without causing any cramping or discomfort. Just pop them in before bedtime, and let Oxy-Powder work its magic. Now that we've covered the amazing benefits and how it works, let's get into the nitty-gritty details of Oxy-Powder. Each pack contains 60 capsules, and it's available for $29.95, which means just 50 cents per capsule, a small price to pay for a healthier you. The product is from the trusted brand Global Healing Center, known for its commitment to quality and effectiveness. Plus, it's non-GMO, vegan-friendly, and safe for all adults looking to improve their digestive health. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best body cleanse program that's safe, effective, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine, Global Healing Oxy-Powder Colon Cleanse and Detox Cleanse is the answer. Say goodbye to that heavy feeling and hello to a healthier, revitalized you. Give Oxy-Powder a try and experience the difference for yourself. That's it for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. And as always, stay tuned for more honest product reviews here at Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.